Hello boys and girls, Ms. Melanie here, and we're going to do an art project on oceans. Let's go over some materials you can find around your house to help you make this project. Well, we can use crayons. We can use markers. We can use watercolor. We can use paint. We can use glitter glue. We can use construction paper. We can use tissue paper. We can use cotton balls. We can use tissues if we don't have tissue paper. We can use glue, and if we don't have glue, we can use tape, and we can use scissors, and these are scissors you can use, and these can be scissors that Mommy and Daddy use. So let's see what the project looks like. Now, Ms. Melanie made one to show you an example, and then I'm gonna make one with you. So here is my ocean. I used construction paper. I used crayons. See, my crayons. I used glitter glue. And I used tissues since I don't have tissue paper. And here's my tissue that we're gonna cut. Now, you can use any type of construction paper or regular printing paper. You can use blue or you can use white. Now, Ms. Melanie is gonna use blue. Now, if you use white, you'd have to take a blue crayon and color the whole thing if you want, and that's up to you. But Ms. Melanie wants to use the blue construction paper. So first, you want to make your waves. So all you got to do is take the paper and make squiggly lines, as many as you want. So that's 1, 2, 3. And I made 3 squiggly lines. You just take the crayon and you make... And blue is always good to use, or you could use black. Now, I want to make the waves. I use tissues. To use tissues, all you got to do is take your scissor, and remember what Ms. Diana said in her video, when you cut away from yourself. So you cut 1 line of tissues. That's all. And then you cut them into any type of shape you want. And you just cut them, and you can pull them apart to use them for your project. So I already have mine. If you have glue or tape, you put as many as you want on your squiggly lines to make it look like the waves of the ocean. It may fall apart, it's all right. So you see what I did? I'm making it a wave there. And then you keep going. So I have 1 wave. And I have 2 waves. So I'm going to have 2 on top. And then I'm going to do a wave 3 on the middle. How about that? 1. And 2. And 1 more makes 3. And then we could count how many waves we had. 3. And then I'm going to put only 2 on the bottom of my ocean. 1, 2. The reason I'm using white is because waves, when we see waves, they have a white foam to it. So here are my waves. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 waves in my ocean. Now, I want to make the seaweed. So I'm going to use my glitter glue and my crayon. So let's open it. Oh, here it is. I'm going to make seaweed go all over. That's 1 seaweed, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm using 7 with this glue, And I can make more seaweed and squiggly lines of seaweed, because that's all over the place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's count our glitter glue seaweed together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then let's count our crayon one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't have to do how many I do. You can do how many you want to do. Then I'm going to use another glitter glue for a different color seaweed. So I'm going to put this seaweed will go on top of the water. So, because sometimes when you're in the ocean, seaweed floats. There. Let's see how many of these I put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 seaweeds floating and 7 green seaweeds lower. And next I want to make some fish. And I'm going to use purple. So I'm going to make not that many fish. I'll make a few fish. Let me open it. Oh, if it opens. Oh, it's not opening right. It's okay. I could use a different color. How about we make a blue fish? So I'm going to make my fish. You can make your fish any way you want. I'm going to put the blue fish on this part of the wave. Right? Blue fish. Maybe I want to make a silver fish. I'll put a big silver fish here. One big silver fish. And then, how about a goldfish? Goldfish are little. Ugh. If it opens. There we go. So we get one fish here. 2. And 3. So let's count our fish. How many fish do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did 7 fish. 1 silver fish. 1, 2, 3 blue fish. 1, 2, 3 goldfish. And then I want to add the sun, because we said the sun comes out in the daytime. So this picture is a daytime picture, because it's daytime right now. And there you go. Here is Ms. Melanie's art project of her ocean. And don't forget to name your ocean. I'm going to name this ocean the Pacific Ocean, because that is the largest ocean. Remember, put the name of the ocean you want to call it. See, I wrote the Pacific Ocean. So I hope you have fun making your ocean, and I hope to see the pictures or videos of you making your ocean by yourself or with your mommy and daddy or with your siblings. Enjoy the rest of the videos that are coming your way. See you soon.